am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email. Please add me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. Please add me for your other courses like MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab Assess, MyLab Economics, my IT Lab, all online courses. Writing courses, English, Java, C++, Python, Math and many more courses. I can handle your all courses. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more online colleges and universities. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. Okay, title of assignment training is that PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Training. Question number 1 is that create a new presentation, select the Berlin theme, select the second theme variant, the blue variant and then click create. Basically in this question we will create a new presentation. Okay, we will select Berlin theme first and then select the second theme variant, the blue variant and then click create. Okay, create a new presentation. Okay, we will select Berlin here and then select the second theme variant, the blue variant. Okay, here is blue variant and then click create. Simply click on create. Okay, then then save the presentation as PowerPoint presentation with the name P01H1 job search. Okay, we will save the presentation as PowerPoint presentation. We will go to the file and save as. Okay, we will rename this save as this P01H1 job search. Okay, search. Okay, P01 as job search. We will save this presentation as this name and simply click on save. Okay, on slide 1 in the title placeholder tap job search strategies. Okay, we will click on the title placeholder and then we will tap here job search strategies. Okay, on slide 1 in the subtitle placeholder type careers in career and employment service. We will simply click in the on the slide 1 and in the subtitle placeholder we will type careers and employment service. CARER and employment service. Employment service. Okay, this is good now. Question is done now. Click new slide in the slide group on the home tab. Go to the new slide. Okay, on slide 2 in the title placeholder tap overview. Okay, click on slide 2 in the title placeholder. We will tap overview. Okay, in the content placeholder add careers and employment service center. Okay, we will in the content placeholder we will type careers and employment service center as a first level bullet. Okay, question is done now. With slide 2 displayed, click the new slide arrow on the home tab and select reuse slides in the reuse slides pane. Click browse, locate P01H jobs PPTX and then click choose content. Okay, with slide 2 displayed, click the new slide arrow on the home tab. Go to the new slides arrow on the home tab and select reuse slides in the slide pane. Click browse. Okay, click browse and then we will browse this file, PPTX file P01H jobs PPTX file. Simply select this file and then click on create content. Deselecting the use source formatting checkbox in the reuse slide pane. Okay, we will click insert all. Simply we will scroll down and then click insert all. Okay, where is insert all? You can see here is insert all. Okay, close the reuse slides pane. We will simply close this and question is completed now. Okay, display the presentation in slide sorter view. Go to the view tab and then presentation in the slide sorter view. Go to the, simply click on slide sorter view. In slide sorter view, delete slides 4. Simply select slide 4 and then delete it. Right click on this and delete slides. In slide sorter view, move slide 7 between slides 5 and 6 so that is so that is positions after the existing slide 5. Okay, in slide 7. Okay, double click slide 1 to return the presentation to normal view. Double click slide 1. Okay, this is now normal view. Question is done now. Change the theme color of the presentation to marquee. Okay, we will change the theme color of the presentation to marquee. Go to the design and then go to the colors. Okay, we will select marquee colors in presentation. Okay, color of the presentation. Change the theme font of the presentation to Gill Sans Empty. Go to the fonts and then we will select Gill Sans Empty. Where is Gill Sans Empty? We will select here Gill Sans Empty. Here is Gill Sans Empty. Okay, question is completed now. Okay, change the layout of slide 4 to panoramic picture with caption. Okay, we will click on slide 4, right click on this and then go to the layout. Okay, panoramic picture. Okay, delete the subtitle placeholder. We will select the subtitle placeholder and then simply delete this subtitle placeholder. Okay, select this and then simply delete this. Okay, set the height of the title placeholder to 0.9 inches. We will select title placeholder and then we will go to the shape format and go to the height 0.9 inches. Okay, select slide 2. On slide 2, select the title placeholder, set the font size of text to 54 points. We will select this and then we will go to the home tab in the font size and then apply 54 point font size. Okay, go to the home tab in the font group. We will apply 54 font size. On slide 2, click the content placeholder, click increase font size to increase the font size 32 point. Okay, we will select this content placeholder and then we will go to the font size and then we will increase this placeholder font size to 32. Okay, here is 32. You can see 32. Okay. On slide 7, select the text Google and change the font color to aqua accent 1 letter 40%. We will go to the slide 7 and then we will select the text Google. Okay, and change the font color to aqua accent 1 letter 40%. The font color arrow. Okay, we will go to the font color and then we will apply aqua accent 1 letter 40%. Here is aqua accent 140. Echo acid 1 letter 40%. Okay, question is done now. You can see I have done half simulation training right now. Now moving on next question. Click slide 4 in the content placeholder. Click the picture icon and insert P01 Act 2 networking JPG from the document folder. Okay, we will click on picture and then we will insert this picture P01 networking JPG and then insert this picture. Click slide 6 in the content placeholder and insert the picture P01 to stand out JPG from the document folder. Okay, click slide 6 and then we will click on picture and then we will insert this picture P0 JPG and then we will insert this picture. You can see question is completed now. I have done 8 questions of this simulation training. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please contact me for your course help. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. I will provide you A+ grade. I will handle your all course, all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, project, midterm exam, final exam, and please reach me out for your other courses like my lab economics, my lab Word, my lab Excel, my lab PowerPoint, my lab math, my lab English, writing courses, Python, Java, C++ and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.